Function of tail feathers. The elaborate and colorful tail feathers of male peacocks, known as a train, are a classic example of sexual selection. However, the precise function of such extravagant displays is still debated. While it's generally believed that they play a role in attracting mates, there may be additional factors at play, such as signaling the health or genetic quality of the individual. Color perception. Peacock feathers display iridescence, which is a property that creates the appearance of shifting colors as the viewing angle changes. How peahens perceive and interpret these dynamic color displays, and whether they use them to assess the quality of potential mates, is not fully understood. Mating preferences. While there's evidence to suggest that peahens do prefer males with larger and more elaborate trains, the exact criteria they use to select mates and the extent to which other factors, such as behavior, vocalizations, or body condition, influence their choices are still being explored. Ecology and habitat. While peacocks are commonly associated with open grasslands and forests, there might be aspects of their ecology, such as their interactions with other species, that researchers are still uncovering. Additionally, their behavior and adaptations in response to changing environmental conditions and habitat alterations are areas of ongoing study. Genetic basis of color. The genetics underlying the vibrant colors of peacock feathers are complex and not fully understood. Researchers are working to unravel the genes and molecular mechanisms responsible for producing the wide array of colors and patterns seen in peacock plumage. Social structure. The social dynamics and hierarchical structures within peacock populations are not completely clear. Researchers are studying factors such as territorial behavior, dominance interactions, and communal roosting patterns to gain a better understanding of how peacocks organize themselves. Communication and vocalizations. Peacocks are known for their distinctive calls, especially during the breeding season. The specific purposes and meanings of different vocalizations, as well as how they are perceived by other peafowl and potential predators, are areas that researchers continue to explore. Conservation challenges. While peafowl are not generally considered endangered, their populations can face threats such as habitat loss, predation, and conflicts with humans. The extent of these challenges and the most effective conservation strategies are subjects of ongoing investigation. Anti-predator behavior. Peafowl have been observed engaging in unique anti-predator behaviors, such as anteing. This behavior involves pecking at ants and then allowing the ants to crawl on their feathers. It's believed that the formic acid released by the ants might act as a natural insect repellent or help in preening. Hybridization. Peafowl are known to hybridize with other species of pheasants and peafowl. Understanding the consequences of hybridization and how it affects the genetic diversity and characteristics of peafowl populations is an area of ongoing research. Thermoregulation. The elaborate trains of male peacocks may serve a function beyond mate attraction. Some researchers speculate that these trains could help regulate body temperature by being fanned out to dissipate heat or by providing insulation during colder temperatures. Diet and foraging behavior. While peafowl are known to be omnivores, there's still more to learn about their specific dietary preferences and foraging habits. Researchers are interested in understanding how their diet may vary across different seasons and habitats. Longevity and aging. The lifespan of peafowl in the wild and captivity can vary, but there is limited information on their aging process, including factors that might influence their longevity and reproductive success as they age. Migration patterns. Some peafowl populations are known to exhibit migratory behavior, but the details of their migration patterns, routes, and reasons for migration are not well documented for all populations. Genetic diversity. The genetic diversity within peafowl populations and how this diversity relates to factors such as geographic distribution and adaptations to different environments is still an area of ongoing genetic research. Social learning and intelligence. There's growing interest in understanding the social learning abilities and cognitive intelligence of peafowl. Observations of their problem-solving skills, memory, and ability to learn from interactions with other individuals are being studied. Health and disease. The susceptibility of peafowl to various diseases, their immune responses, and factors influencing their overall health and well-being are areas that researchers continue to investigate. Human peafowl interactions. As human activities encroach on natural habitats, conflicts between peafowl and humans can arise. Understanding the dynamics of these interactions and finding ways to mitigate negative impacts on both peafowl and human communities are important areas of research. Egg laying and parental care. While some basic information about peafowl reproductive behavior is known, there's still room to explore the details of egg-laying patterns, incubation behaviors, and the extent of parental care provided by both males and females. Cultural significance. Peacocks hold cultural and religious significance in various societies. Exploring the historical, symbolic, and cultural roles of peafowl in different human cultures is an interdisciplinary area that combines biology, anthropology, and the arts.